Okay, guys. Today it's Animal Company. And there is jump scares, so, whoa.
And I'm here too.
Yeah, he's here. This guy's here.
Well, lucky, no clue how to work this. Oh, yeah.
Over here, there's going to be, like, this thing. It's like a mutated chicken, kind of.
Oh.
But we're trying to steal its
egg.
egg.
Can you just hop away from it? Is it really slow?
No, it's really fast. So I'm going to distract it.
Really fast.
Then when it's mad at me, run in, grab the egg. See, there it is. So don't cross this line yet. I'm going to make it mad. Then I'm going to climb up one of the tree branches. And then when it's mad at me, run in, get the egg, then run across those as fast as you can.
I see a little line right here.
Yeah. Okay, so Lucas, wait here. Then when I tell you to, run in and grab the egg.
I got you. Take a plunger with me.
Hey, chat.
Aggroed at me, I think.
No, it's aggroed at me. Run in, run in. No, not yet. No, I'm stuck. Now, run back out. Lucas, run. Get across the things, quick. Get across the things. Get to the other side. Yes, okay, I died, but that's fine. You didn't fall in, did you? Oh, he can't hear me. Lucas! Lucas! Can you hear me? Lucas! 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 Lucas, hello. Can you hear me?
Caleb, I have the egg.
Okay, so parkour back across. Please do not fall. The egg's gone forever if you fall. Now get back up here.
I'm a pro.
Now follow me. Quick, you gotta run. You don't have to run,
I don't.
but it's faster if you do, because that's how running works.
I already love Animal Company.
Okay, I'm coming. Put it in that rocket ship over there.
Alright, I got you.
Don't step on any landmines.
Landmines?
Yeah.
Okay, this one. In here.
Yeah, just put it on there. Then click A. Yeah, now run. And that should have gave us money. Oh, nope, it's still in here. Okay, then I think I click one of these buttons.
Just click all of them.
Oh, it's this one.
Oh no. Run away, Caleb. Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, we got a bunch of money.
Let's go!
We got 200
Let's
money.
Buy some things.
Okay, so come over here. We need a backpack, 100%.
Definitely.
How much money do I have?
Caleb, we don't have enough money for a backpack yet.
No, not this backpack. This one. And it automatically puts it on your back. Okay, so now,
how do I even
if you reach behind your back and you press A, then press A again with it. No, then press B. It opens and you can put stuff in it. Then press B again to close it, and then put it behind your back and press A to put it back. Okay, but we also need a flashlight.
I already have a flashlight.
Okay.
Where'd my flashlight just go? Caleb.
Here, just buy another one. Then it automatically goes into your hand.
Let's go.
Yeah, but right now we can't hit anything.
We have to save power with our flashlights.
Yeah. Come in here with me because we can't go into the main one yet because we can't hit anything. And there's a red light, green light guy we have to kill to get in.
Okay, we just have to buy a new one. I put mine in my backpack. Oh, wait, now we have a spare. Now we have a spare,
yeah.
Here we go.
Okay. Now, don't step on that mine right there. Do not step on that. You will die. Now, there are going to be mimics. You know what a mimic is, right?
Yeah, I don't know where you are.
Here, you see me? Here, go back to the entrance. Here, come on. But they're not gonna have backpacks on or flashlights enabled. Watch out, there's probably gonna be something. Yeah, Lucas.
Ooh, gold.
Don't go in there, that's red light, green light.
Found gold.
Yeah.
Wait, I called it. I'm putting this gold in my backpack.
You called dibs. Okay, so now we have some stuff. So yeah, open it. Then put it in. Then put the spare flashlight in also. Yeah, then close your bag.
Oh, my bad. Wrong button.
Then pick up the flashlight. That's red light, green light. We can't go in there yet because we don't have a bat to hit people with. So other way. Avoid the landmine.
Ooh, I want to click it. Oh no, where are we? Okay.
Now we can deposit our stuff, and we could probably buy some stuff now.
Yeah, we can probably buy some stuff now. Do you get like money for just like hanging inside there?
No. You have to actually grab stuff and put it in here.
I have some gold. I had some gold.
Yeah, the gold is worth a lot. How do I?
Here.
I got a banana.
Inside.
Yeah. Then it's different every time.
Got it.
Then we should be getting
How
some
much money
soon.
that was?
Yeah, that gold's worth a lot. Oh.
Oh crap.
We have 700 money. Okay. So, Lucas, now what we want to do is we want to buy... Ooh. We want to buy a crowbar.
I'm gonna buy this crowbar.
Yeah, we need to buy the crowbar. But then, Lucas...
Oh, great. I'm only a little bit short. Hey, Caleb, I found a grenade.
You have a grenade? Don't buy it. Oh.
I have a grenade.
Okay, just throw it at the red light, green light guy. Come on.
I got you.
We're going to go into the place
Does
with
the
the
crowbar
less
work as
monsters first.
As an attack?
What?
Does the crowbar work as attacking?
Yes, it does. So Lucas, just follow me in here because there's another red light, green light guy.
I'm gonna throw my grenade at it. Then you can hit it with your crowbar.
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. Watch out because you can activate other mines with both of these. Coming. Okay, red light, green light guy's in there. There's a doppelganger right there, actually.
You should go in there.
Only move when it's green light.
Caleb, you're about to get cooked. I want to go in there.
Stay there.
Yeah, Caleb. Okay,
I found it.
I'll
Stay there.
I'll stay there and I'll make sure you die. Caleb?
It stole my crowbar.
That was so close.
Give me the
Here,
grenade.
have this grenade.
You.
Oh my, it might explode.
Yeah, well. We can get it.
Alright. No, okay, you have to bite off that little piece first.
Yeah.
Piece of gold. Go get when it turns green, I'll go and get it. Take it back, take it back.
Put this in your bag.
Alright. Oh gosh, what just happened? Okay, you go and collect some stuff. I'll put it inside the bag. Caleb?
It won't die. I'm cooked. It's killing me. I died. Okay, chat. We're going in alone. Without a flashlight. Oh no, the monkeys. The mimic. Lucas! Where are you? Lucas, I'm over here. The doppelganger ate my crowbar.
Oh my god, I almost stepped on that mine.
The doppelganger ate my crowbar.
One step away.
The doppelganger ate my
watch
crowbar, so we're gonna have to buy another one.
Watch this.
Lucas, stop. You're being too risky.
Hey, what happens if you do? I'm gonna throw my flashlight at it.
Lucas, please don't. That's a bad idea.
How far is the explosion radius?
It's pretty far. Okay, Lucas, I'm gonna go this way. I haven't been this way before.
Oh no, that's gonna come alive. Watch it.
Yeah, I know it is. Put this in your bag.
Wait, aggro it to see just if it comes alive. Just aggro it.
As soon as I take all the stuff, it's gonna become live. So here, put this in your bag. Here's another flashlight I found.
Just put him in the bag. No, not the
It's
flashlight.
full.
The banana.
The bag's full.
Anyway, it's not full. All right.
Oh no, I
we
can't
go.
put it in the bag. Only you can. Here, Lucas, just grab both
there's
the
a flashlight right
flashlights and start running. I think this thing's going to come alive, but you're going to be slower. So just start running, okay? No,
I'm
not
not
that way.
that slow.
The other way. Because you're going to get slower. I'll tell...
All right. Go for
Lucas,
it.
you'll hear a sound when it comes alive. Just start running. Go. Oh, hey, nothing actually happened. It's fake. Oh, wait, that's an entrance. That's an entrance, dude.
Is it safe?
Here,
Is it safe?
Yeah, it's safe. But go ahead and deposit those items. I'm gonna see if I can get in here. I'm in.
I'm surprised you couldn't make that jump before. Oh no, this looks bad.
Oh shoot. Why didn't you leave? Okay, don't buy the pogo stick. We can find that in the things. Lucas, there's a grenade. Can you get that?
Got the grenade.
Okay, don't lay that hand on anything, just in case. Because that one, I can tell is real. Because it's fully unburied. No, that's a red light, green light machine. Lucas, get out, get out, get out. You coming? Okay.
Wait, that's also a red light, green light machine.
Yeah, but that one's inactive.
Oh,
It's buried.
It's buried though. I emptied out all the bananas.
Okay, now come back out.
That's gonna get a lot of money.
We have
Over
$609.
$100. Let's go.
I'm gonna get a crowbar.
425.
Then you can buy whatever
I
you
still can't
want.
get a crowbar. I still can't get a crowbar.
Wait a second, it just
Oh,
scared
what
me.
is this? I got a smoke bomb. I can get a smoke bomb.
That won't help. That only help in the red light, green light, and I
I
doubt
can get a
there's
rocket.
Ooh, a lock. Ooh, hold up.
I can get a shield. Well, no, is this an iPad?
That's an iPad.
Oh, I can get a gun. Oh, that's expensive.
I would just, once we get enough money, I would just get another crowbar. Because they help you a lot.
I can get a prototype gun.
Okay, no, you need ammo for that. We have 110. Oh no. What did you do?
I shot it.
Okay, that's a flare gun, Lucas. And you just wasted its only ammo.
I want to shoot the flare gun.
Wait, yo, no way, there's something over here.
That was a waste of money.
No, we lost it. We lost it. Oh, I died.
Alright then. It's red. Should we not be moving?
No.
Oh,
Cowabunga, dude. Hi, bye. Bye. Ow. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah, dude, spare flashlight.
This doesn't look very fun.
That way's blocked. That way's the red light, green light. What's this way? This way's also blocked.
I know where we are. I know where we are.
Yeah. Just don't step on any of the red stuff, okay?
Oh, no, not that thing.
Don't step on any of the tentacles. Also, this is red light, green light, so we don't have a weapon to break it. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Lucas, can you hear me? I'm back.
Yeah.
I need to get my stuff.
Your stuff is on like the other side, but you cleared out one area, so we can like walk through it now.
Watch out, don't move. Don't jump. Don't jump, don't jump.
Not move.
This is the only way over here. Don't move.
Stop.
Okay, I'm gonna try and jump. No, those are tentacles! We only have 12 monies. Oh no. Oh no. Lucas, can you hear me? I'm stuck on a pipe. Lucas! Lucas! Can you hear me? I'm stuck on a pipe!
Where are you?
I literally I'm free! I'm free! Here, don't move, I'm coming.
I got your backpack.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. But that was the only way we could go, and there's a teleporter that teleports us back over there, so. I'm cooked. Lucas. Don't move. I'm across. Okay, never mind, you can. This is the only way we can go as of now. Watch out, there are mimics.
There's so much stuff.
Yeah, I know, but there are mimics in here.
A lot of them?
A lot.
I see a gun.
Okay, I got a plunger.
Oh, no. There's something over there. There's something right over there. Do not go that way.
Oh, that's a bomb, run. Just don't let it see you. If it starts turning red, then just run as fast as you can. Dude, this is a weapon. This is a weapon right here. Oh, he's about to blow up. He's about to blow up. Lucas, run! You're dead. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, chat. Secret tunnel. scary. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that, because that's... Okay, so now I go down here. Right here, okay. Yes! So I found the exit.
I lost my backpack.
That's fine.
How much loot did you get?
I got a giant banana and a piece of gold. I would have got a soda can too, but it was causing some weird physics. Oh, I'm stuck on it.
Dang, the fact that you got that first try.
I know.
Wait, I gotta end it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we got 212. We have 213. We can't buy a crowbar, but there was one down there.
Yeah.
I don't think we should get another.
Get like a big backpack.
I think this is a good point to end on, because my headset's about to die. So,
Wait, look. Wait, that one comes with like a flashlight.
We will be coming soon with a part 2. Bye, guys.